What is up? It is Jordan from By 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I'm going to show you guys some more new examples. Like I said, I'm always studying YouTube. I'm always trying to find channels that make a lot of money so I can give you guys examples of how much you could potentially make and how to really do this. And these ones actually came from somebody in the Facebook group. He's one of my students, and he did a good job of doing what I always tell you to do, which is to study YouTube, find examples, find people being successful, and kind of base what you're doing off of people that are already successful. That's always the best way to do it. One of my students posted these channels in the Facebook group. I thought they were really good examples of how easy it can be. You guys wonder how I make 30 to 40,000 a month just posting videos I didn't make on YouTube. There's a lot of other people doing it. Like I always say, if you look at YouTube and after you watch the blueprint that I teach you guys, you will eventually, it'll click for you and you'll be like, whoa, there are a lot of people on YouTube doing it. And then you're going to just be searching YouTube by yourself one day. You're going to see that they're not making their videos, and you're going to be like, oh, wow, yeah, this guy is doing exactly what Jordan teaches. And so it's always good to show you guys examples of other people that are successful besides myself. So this one came from a guy from the Facebook group. He's one of my students, and so he found some really good examples, so I wanted to share those with you today. Also, just a little side note, going to see Donald Trump today. He's got a rally going on where I live, so I'm going to go check that out. Whether you like him, whether you don't like him, it's always cool to see the president. So it was free too. So free ticket to the president. Why not go check it out if I live there? So gonna go see that. That'll be exciting. Looking forward to that. Seeing all the guys outside protesting and all that stuff should be fun. But let's get in here and show you guys some examples of some channels that are doing a really good job here. So this one is called Nice Channel, and if you click it, ads will pop up here. They definitely have ads most of the time. Right here. Yep. So they have ads for sure, so they're definitely making money on their channel. They're up to 406,000 subscribers here. And so they post different compilations of, and I teach you guys exactly in my course how to do these compilations. Funny girls fail compilation, of course, it's going to get a lot of views because it's got a girl in a bikini on it. But that one looks like it got age appropriated, so that's the thing with the girl type thing. But these are just compilations that he didn't make, or else he made them very easily. I show you how to use compilations that you didn't make, as well as compilations on how to make compilations as well. So he just posts a lot of different compilations. Funny Christmas compilation. And what's crazy about this channel is that it only has 60 videos. 60 videos has gotten him 405,000 subscribers. So when I showed you guys, I posted those 2 Alex Jones videos and got 9,000 subs overnight. This guy, he's obviously getting his channel to go viral, so it'd be really smart of you to study this guy. I teach you guys in the course how to find the exact tags that he's using, all of those type of things, and that can help you generate the same money this guy's getting. So if you look at his views here, 176 million views off 60 videos, which is pretty freaking impressive. So definitely take a look at the tags this guy uses, which I do teach how to do that in the course. 176, 418, 973, and I always multiply that by about 10%. Like I said, you're going to get about a 10% click-through rate. Like I said, if you put an ad about every minute or so, which, a lot of you guys think that's going to make people click off. Well, I did the same thing with the Alex Jones video, and it still had over 6 minutes average duration. So if it's an interesting video, if it's a good video that people want to watch, they're going to stick around regardless of how many ads you put. So about 10% click-through rate there is 17 million. Then you multiply that by 0.03 because you get about 3 cents per ad click, and you're about 10% are going to click through that. So this guy's made about $529,000, so $500,000 here, just posting videos since 2016. And he's only posted 60. So obviously, if he posted more videos than he does, he could easily be over $1 million. Easily. And that's just reposting videos he didn't make. You could literally be a millionaire, guys, following my blueprint and posting videos you didn't even make. If you do it correctly, you do it the right way, you're going to keep your channel up, you're going to pass the review, you're going to you're going to be able to make a lot of money, and you're going to be able to keep the channel up. This guy, he's not even making his own videos. He's been up for over 2 years now. So if you do it the right way, you're not going to get copyright strikes. You're not going to get anything like that. You're not going to get strikes. You're going to be able to keep your channel up and continue to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. You can make more money than a freaking doctor just posting videos that you didn't even make if you do it correctly, which, I have, spent 3 years learning the process of this. So I'm definitely, the only one that has a course on how to do this exact thing. So it'll definitely help you guys out for sure. The next channel we're going to look at is Cute City. And they have posted 138 videos. They don't show how many subs they've had, but 63,265,501 times 0.10% times 0.03. So this has made $189,000, and that was from February 2017. So just about a year and a half, they've made $189,000, which is way more than most people make in a year. And so, they just post like cute videos, and, what's really easy about this, again, this would be another good person to, see what kind of tags they're using and how they're ranking their videos, but it's really easy to put really good thumbnails for cute pets, right? So people just want to click. If it's high quality, that's the thing about the thumbnails, like I said, they got to be high quality. Look at this, cute is not enough. Just different titles, that make people want to click. High quality pictures that are, funny animals, that's an easy thing to clickbait for sure. And as I said, they have ads as well. You can see the yellow on the, yep, so they have ads here. So they're making a ton of money, dude, and, that's all it is. So another good find there. And then this one is called Funny Animals, and they have had, how many videos have they posted? Wow. Okay, 259 videos here. 259, again, their subs are hidden as well. But 283 million views, 895, 277 times 0.10 times 0.03, $851,000 in 2 years. Less than 2 years, $851,000 just posting some freaking animal videos, and they're doing the same exact thing, as you can see here. And they have ads as well, as you just saw. So yeah, and then so what you want to do is you want to go through here. This is how you study YouTube. Sort by most popular. 36 million views on this. It's a monkey grabbing a cat. Like, who's not going to want to see that? And it's a high quality. It's a high quality picture. And, that's, and then like this one, dogs protecting babies. I mean, that's a cool one, right? People want to see that. People want to see a dog protecting a baby. And I guarantee he didn't make these, or he just found different compilations and put them together into one compilation, which I do teach in the masterclass, how to do that very easily with a free software. So you can do all of this stuff, and then all it is just putting a really high quality HD picture of an animal. And it's that easy to clickbait these kind of things. Like I said, when I say clickbait, I mean that in a positive way. So these are 3 channels that are making, a ton of money doing these things. And again, in my course, I teach exactly how to do all of this stuff very, very easily. And like I said, the more you look through YouTube, the more you study it, the more you're going to find that there are way more people doing exactly what I'm teaching than you think. So a lot of you guys, you think that I, just made this up and no one's actually doing it, and I'm the only one that can do it. I'm the only one figuring it out. No, I figured it out by studying YouTube. And when I studied YouTube, I started seeing a bunch of people making money, with videos that they didn't make. And so then I tried to figure out, how can I do that same thing? So I reverse engineered it, and I figured out the whole process. And then from there, YouTube has changed rules, made it a little more difficult, and so I found a bunch of ways to get past those rules, so I could personally continue to make more channels. And, in that time of 3 years doing this or whatever, I have studied and found ways to get through every single part of that, and that's why I have this course, because I'm the only one that's really probably been through every single step of the way, and, have found a way to do it in every single situation, no matter what niche, no matter what rules, all those type of things. I've been through the beginning to the end here, and so that's why I have so much knowledge on it and want to share that with you guys through the course. But the more you devour YouTube, the more you're going to see there are tons of people making six figures on YouTube very easily with videos they didn't even make. I mean, that dude posted 60 videos. I mean, that's nothing, and he's made six figures already. So hopefully this helps you guys out, just gives you some more ideas of things you could do. I'm off to go see the president, so hopefully this helps you guys out. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.